the AI generative companies are going to pirate websites, stealing the materials that have already been stolen. It's a crime compounding a crime. How is this fair? Say you want to go drag racing, an illegal activity. I tell you, hey, there's a shop down the street that sells stolen cars for cheap. Go buy a car and you can drag race. You go, great, that helps me be able to afford what I want to do. You buy a stolen car, you drag race, you win. Do you now get to say, hey, it's okay that I bought that stolen car? It's okay that I engaged in an illegal activity. Neither activity is legal, and one is compounding the other. And that's what's happening here. It's simple. It's a crime compounding a crime. And it's not a victimless crime. As Professor Smith showed us, there are real victims here. The loss of authors' livelihoods. Mr. Baldacci will be eloquent on this topic, but as an author myself, I feel the same. The loss of my livelihood not only hurts, but it affects what I've spent my life training to do. It contravenes copyright law's basic incentive structure. I don't just teach copyright, I teach constitutional law as well. This is enshrined in the United States Constitution. The intellectual property clause is one of the things that makes this country not just great, but robust, powerful, economically hugely successful. Over $1 trillion in revenues from the creative content industries. This is truly at risk right now, this entire incentive structure that was brilliantly thought of by our founders. It has negative incentives. If you know that you can go to a pirate website and steal things, why would you ever pay for anything again? The generative AI companies have shown us the way to massive theft, not just by themselves, but by others as well. It depreciates the quality and the quantity of works out there. The trade-off of copyright law is you, the copyright author, take the risk, and the market rewards you with rewards if the marketplace likes what you've done. There is no incentive structure anymore that's been undermined by what's happening now. And there's a solution. The solution is licensing. It already exists. The licensing of works, the fair compensation of creators. These are all things that actually exist now. We don't even need new legislation in some ways. We might want that as well someday, but right now we have a solution. Enforce good, standard, accepted, acknowledged licensing practices. None of this is to say that we're against innovation. We all believe in innovation. We believe that generative AI has potential. But you cannot compromise the livelihood of creators. You cannot compromise our trove of creative activity and our entire world of art and culture and the things that we have done that make us most human and that enrich us the most. You cannot compromise those simply by saying we need new technologies to flourish. What we need is for new technologies to flourish fairly, sustainably, in ways that make sense to us and that have already been provided for by our Constitution, by the US copyright law, by intellectual property law itself. It is critical that Congress recognize that this is the trade-off that matters for the livelihoods of everyone whose lives right now and well-being are at risk. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Professor. Next